In today's unboxing series, we're looking at the SwannBuddy4K Video Doorbell. It has two-way audio, it's rechargeable and wireless, with an expanded head-to-toe view to see who's at the door and what's on the ground. Let's have a look at what's inside. The SwannBuddy4K Video Doorbell. It supports 4K Ultra HD video, a microphone and speaker for two-way audio, a night detection sensor, a doorbell button with light ring, powerful infrared night vision, and True Detect for heat and motion sensing. It has a long life rechargeable battery or can be powered from existing doorbell wiring. Located the back of the buddy is the pair button, reset button, and a microSD card slot. It comes with a 32GB card pre-installed, but you can upgrade to a larger one up to 128GB if needed. The USB-C charging port is used to charge the buddy, and the QR code is scanned to pair the buddy in the Swann security app. Mounting bracket slots are used for the provided mounting bracket, and the wire terminals are available if you want to use your existing doorbell wiring for power. At the bottom is a speaker and an anti-tamper screw hole. A Chime Unit with integrated speaker. There are 6 melodies to choose from. 2 AA batteries are provided. A mounting bracket. It can be mounted to a wooden, masonry or drywall surface. It can also be mounted to a window panel using the supplied double-sided tape. Screws and wall plugs are included. A USB-C charging cable. Connect this to a power adapter included with your mobile device to charge the buddy. You can also use a power board that has integrated USB ports to charge. For existing doorbell wiring, 2 terminal connections are provided. And a welcome pack containing the buddy Quick Start Guide and theft deterrent stickers. The Quick Start Guide has an overview of the functions and buttons on the buddy, as well as pairing instructions for the Swann security app, a Chime overview and mounting bracket instructions. Download the Swann security app for your mobile device to view the buddy. Search for Swann Security at the iOS and Google App Stores. The SwannBuddy4K is Australian designed and developed. It has lifetime support with a 2-year warranty and always free local and cloud storage. The SwannBuddy4K Video Doorbell can be purchased at swann.com or from one of our authorised retailers. Thanks for watching.